Note, figure not drawn to scale. They do this to prevent you from trying to measure and guess and say, oh, let me see how long. If A is 4 and B is 5, because that's what they're telling us here, then how long does C look to be? So if it's not drawn to scale, don't trust anything you're seeing as far as being accurate measurements. For the right triangle shown, A equals 4. I'm going to write that on my triangle. And B equals 5. Which expression represents the value of C? So they're testing that you know the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem says that if you have a right triangle with sides A, B, and C, then the length of side A squared plus the length of side B squared equals the length of side C, or the hypotenuse, squared. So if I plug these numbers in, 4 and 5, for A and B, and I plug them in over here as well, 4 and 5, what would C be? Now, if you look at our answers, and I do encourage students to always look at the answers before you go into the problem, because you kind of know what target you're shooting for. In this case, they are not asking for a precise value. They're asking for an expression. If it's a precise value, I might go like, oh, okay, so 4 squared is 16 plus 5 squared is 25. Okay, add those together. 41 take square. No, look over here. None of those are going that far. They're not using that square root function on a calculator to get a precise answer. They just want an expression. So I'm at this point, 4 squared plus 5 squared equals C squared. If I wanted to solve for C, I would take the square root of both sides, and that would leave C by itself. And on the other side would be the square root of 4 squared plus 5 squared. And that's D. That's as far as I have to go. I don't actually have to use my calculator for this one. I just have to know what Pythagorean theorem is and then be able to solve for C.
I hope you enjoyed that today. If it was helpful, useful in any way, please like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.